Hi, I'm Ray and I love roller skating. One of the most difficult things to learn when you start skating is how to stand up. Now, it's much easier to stand up when you're not wearing roller skates because your shoes rub against the floor and friction resists their motion. Friction between your shoe and the floor gives the shoes their grip. What makes friction possible is that any surface, however flat it seems, has trillions of tiny pits and bumps like this. When two surfaces rub together, like when you put your shoe on the ground, the bumps in one surface fit into the pits of the other, and the two surfaces kind of cling together. That's why you need to push or pull in an object to keep it moving across a surface, to overcome friction. And once you stop moving it, friction will quickly slow it down. Skate, please. What makes it difficult to stand up when you're wearing roller skates is the wheels. They get rid of friction between your shoe and the floor because they can spin freely. So, how do you stand up when you're wearing roller skates? So you use the friction to help you stand. Pushing off the side of your wheels or with the toe stop. It's also essential for getting you moving. Here's the basic stride. You put one skate at an angle so that the wheel doesn't roll, and so that you can push against the side of the wheel using friction. Once you push off the wheels, on the other skate, allow that foot to move freely across the ground with hardly any friction. You eventually slow down, so you need to push off again and again and again. See you next time.